Hello guys, today I will show you the water pumps for sucking up chill water return and from the building, and then it supplies to evaporative tank. These are called as water pumps. See, water pump with motor. Okay, this is a pressure gauge, centrifugal type of pump, elbows. These are called as bellows. Okay, Corey bellows or bellows. This is a butterfly valve. If you want to see butterfly valve, then see my other videos. Okay, this is a white strainer for trapping of any impurities is there, or any dust particles or sand particles are there in water, means it will trap up. Okay, this is useful. This is called as white strainer. And here you can see pressure gauge, butterfly valve, and here you can see two types, two compressors, centrifugal type of pumps with motors, because one is used for working and one is used for standby. Okay, if there is any problem will occur with one pump, means they will use another pump. Okay, from here it will go. See, after sucking you can see from here, after sucking it will go through chill water return, which will enter into the evaporative tank. You can see this is evaporative tank. Then after exchanging heat, it will come here from the other way, called as chill water supply line. This is a supply line which will go through to the building. Okay, from here you can see, I'll show you. This is a line which will go to the building, to the HVAC room. Okay, thank you so much.